This is possibly one of the most famous photographs of all time. I mean, I'd seen it for years and never thought to think, are these models or are these real people? And if so, what could possibly have possessed him? But it turns out they're real, and they're here. They're here. Yes. We're talking about Jim and Jodi Young. Where are they? Oh, please stand up. Oh. So we were able to track them down. It was a little miracle. They met when they were 16.
Oh, wow.
Yes. And he's 60 and she's 59, and I don't know. They've been married forever. Well, do you have any secrets for a long relationship? Do you want to come up here on stage, maybe tell the folks? So Jim is an intellectual property attorney, and Jodi has just retired as an elementary school reading specialist. They live happily in Richfield, Minnesota, a Minneapolis-St. Paul suburb. So welcome, and it's splendid. You have such a great sense of humor. I see you're wearing your plaid tie.
Thank you for having us.
And of course, we're all curious. How is it that a relationship could endure all this time? Because we know these days it ain't that easy.
We keep the communication going. We just go with the flow, and we have a sense of humor and a lot of trust and faith.
Just say yes.
And well, no, actually, it's. I always let her get in the last word. That's the key.
Well, it's splendid that you came. I'm so glad you're with us. I hope you stay throughout the entire conference, and please give personal consultations to all those inquiring minds out there who hope to replicate what you've managed to achieve.
Nerds in a picture?
Yes. Am I in the middle?